Emsakazweni ngiyathemba lephile ezweni igama olekuhange mabaratang sekhuwa barekina Mr. LBOOHANG. And if it's your first time coming across our content, please stay with us and subscribe on the channel. It's Liqua Community Network at LCN_zwakala nawe. Yimloyana Papiyani ngazwakala ngingedwa namhlanje e-studio ngathi no ngizosebenza. So yeah, today it's just me and you. Kunento ethize nje engifuna ukuyishare nawe. It's been some time sizama nje yona lento okanye sikuyo le journey yethu trying to put together iLiqua Community Network. Bese ngi-explainile i-vision ne-goal esinayo ngale platform. You can go check out the previous videos. Cishe nje azokubekela ukuthi yona yiphi into esizama ukuyenza, more especially if it's your first time uhlangana nomsebenzi wethu. Namhlanje yini engifuna ukuyishare ever since siqalile ne what I've picked up from yonke lento esiyenzayo ukuthi isihambe yafika la ifika khona njengamanje okanye la ikhona ngenxa yama relationships esibe nawo nesinawo nje okanye siloku swahlanganisa endleleni abantu esidibana nabo nabantu besivele sibazi. Ngingakusho nje kugcwala umlomo ukuthi it wouldn't have been possible ukuthi lento yenzeke if it wasn't for ama relationships esinawo nabantu esibaziyo futhi. Kungani ngifuna ukushare lokho nawe? Mina ngingumuntu oye struggle kakhulu ngento ye accountability, consistency, and also kuye kube lula for mina ukuthi uma ngibhekana ne challenge ethize ngithathe lesinqumo sokuthi mna let's just drop it. It's not to say it's not worth it right now, but okwamanje kusengalinda, we can always do it some other time. And amount you check with business izinto eziningi zisizina, so ukuthi uzovele nje uvuke udecide ukuthi namhlanje angizizwa kahle, ulalele ama emotions akho ukuthi akutshelani namhlanje imvuliyana iweather kube yiyona eseyiblocker from doing izinto lezi kumele ngabe uyazenza. Lokho nangempela sekungathini kuwise amabhizinisi amaningi, kokuningi futhi akwawisanga amabhizinisi but kuye kwavimba ukuqala kwamabhizinisi amaningi. There are a lot of ideas out there angazange manifest okanye angazange abaye reality ngenxa yalokho nje ukuthi kube lula for thina as entrepreneurs ukuthi si decide based on our emotions ukuthi ngizizwa njani namhlanje angizizwa great, so let me just drop it. So yeah, we've been on this journey, myself, uSisilebu, Sisiyolanda, ekungama directors ayo iLiqua Community Network, and we are in partnership right now with Strike a Pose Media ekuyibona abahandlisha i-production yethu alongside with Airplay Music, uNtokozo, Nitros, Mfokankosi. Lama relationships esinawo kanye these partnerships that we have bengeke enzeka if thina azange nathi sayitshela ukuthi sizoba vocal ngento esiyenzayo, sizoshare nabantu ukuthi yini esifisa ukuyenza. Because uma siqala lento sinosisilebu, we had nothing, like we started this from nothing. All we had was our phones, of which actually is the most powerful tool kahle for noma yini ofuna ukuyenza in this day and age. So angivezi lokho ukuthi we had nothing but we only had ifoni ngoba ngizama nje ukuyithatha izinto encane. No, it also played a huge role ukuthi lento esiyenzayo igcine yenzeka namhlanje. We started recording ama videos using yona iphone. Ngokuthi senze njalo we met the likes abantu abanjengabo Inspector from Hookaholics, kwaukuthi nabo bayasiza ngalokho abasiza ngakho. Then ke kwaukuthi sigcine sihlangana nayo i-team Strike a Pose kuyona i-pop-up market eyayikhona last year la eLiqua, eyayihlele ubona umasipala waseLiqua neSida. So i-relationship yethu ne-Strike a Pose Media yaqala lapho kwi-pop-up market. We were interviewing the guys and we noticed ukuthi the guys actually banalento lethina esingenayo esidingayo. That's how our relationship was formed. Till today sisasebenzisana. Ukubaluleka ke kokuthi kwi-relationship onayo nabantu osuke mhlambe ukhethile ukubasondeza duze nalento oyenzayo kanye duze nempilo yakho kubaluleke kakhulu simply because uyakhona ukuthatha from point A to point B. Mina ngiyimi umqondo wami ucabanga uhambe uphelele somewhere, but for the next person naye uyakhona ukuthi if ngiye ngamsharela lokho mina engifisa ukukwenza or lokho engikwenzayo yena akhona ukustretcha ingqondo yami ukuthi icabange beyond lokho mina bengisitshela ukuthi ngiphelele kukhona. So ngingasho nje ukuthi yilokho okukhulu futhi okunye ngikufundile kuyo lento esiyenzayo. But mostly sengivezile ukuthi ngumuntu ostrugglisha ngento ye-accountability. I've noticed ukuthi I've grown so much ever since siqalile ukusebenza. Njengokuthi nini siyavuka okanye siyahlela i-session, sizoba ne-session ngelanga liso ngesikhathi esiso nabo abantu esizobe sinabo on the podcast. So mina ngiyavuka on that day esihlele ngayo and I'm feeling like I'm feeling down as angizizwa grand. Not just ngizizwa grand, but I just don't feel ukuthi ngingayospana namhlanje. But because there are other people already involved kulento esebahlehlise izinto zabo ezibalulekile bebangazenza ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi babe nami ngaleso sikhathi senze lokho esikuhlelile. Yabo ukuthi they just pick up the phone but baba zikhiphane njengamanje. So it helps a lot with having to be accountable ukuthi uma usebenza kube nabantu abakhona duze nawe. So accountability leyo nto iyakhona ukuthi nangempela kungabi issue kangako. And also now and again we check on each other ukuthi okay, you've once mentioned ukuthi uzoyenza into so kangakanani naleyo nto ushare lokho. Okay, mhlambe yikuphi la uye wastrugglisha khona, then kube ukuthi we exchange ideas, we discuss it, then kube ukuthi futhi we come up with solutions for that thing. So yabo ukuthi manje akusabi inkinga yakho kuphela into obhekana nayo kuleyo challenge mhlambe osuke ubhekene nayo ngaleso sikhathi, but those who are close to you, those healthy relationships onawo, they come into play and nangempela into yakho iyaphambili. Always two, engingakunothisa ngayo indaba yama healthy relationships okanye the art of understanding and knowing the power of having healthy relationships. Singabantu nje in general, sengasakhulumi nje as an entrepreneur, but singabantu nje we easily tend to forget ukuthi into oyithandayo wena mhlambe kusuke kuyinto ethandwa nguwe but not necessarily the next person. Then ngibuyise ngapha kwi-entrepreneurship. I'm in business, maybe I'm selling whatever that I'm selling, or I have this service enginayo. Kule space engikuso because I'm passionate, very much passionate ngalento engiyenzayo. So uma ngiyenza lento ngizicabanga mina kuqala before ngicabanga lo muntu olandelayo. So esikhathini esiningi angeke ngaba certain ukuthi the next person angacabangani ngalento engithengisayo, but having to have abantu mhlambe eduze nawe aba-aware ngokuthi wenzani, bazosiza kuphi ukuthi bona lento le obhizi ngayo mhlambe you wanna brand it or you just wanna ngathini mold it to what you want it to be. Bona they come with the perspective yayo i-consumer yakho or yayo i-potential targeted market yakho. So it's easy ukuthi bakusharele ukuthi okay, mina as umuntu ongagcine athenge lento le ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe i-packaging yakho engangi-discourage from ukuthi ngibe drawn to i-product yakho. So if ungayenza ngale ndlela eso ngicabanga ukuthi lokho for mina kungangisebenzela. Or else uzokhumbula ukuthi wena uthema uyicabanga that packaging ukuthi uzoyenza njani, you only considered yourself nama ideas akho, washo ukuthi I know mangiyenze so it's actually less cheaper okanye I cost ngaleyo ndlela leyo angeke izingilimaze, but only to find ukuthi yebo yona it's cheap, affordable for wena, izokwehlisela ama expenses zakho, but for the person whom you are trying to offer this service to or sell this product to, uthola ukuthi yena iyona ezomhlehlisa ukuthi angabe asasondela nokusondela to umsebenzi wakho. So it helps a lot nangalokho ke indaba yalona yama healthy relationships. So please do take a deep look in that. And now that I've also mentioned indaba ye branding, ibalulekile branding in whatever you are doing, more especially if uzosebenzisana nabantu okanye whatever that you are doing izodinga abanye abantu. Kubalulekile ukuthi bakhona ukuthi into yakho oyenzayo kube lula ukuthi bayi-identify okanye okanye nje uma bekhuluma ngayo kube lula ukuthi bakhona nje ukuthi basho ukuthi into so i-branding helps a lot with that. Tina, on our side right now, we are in consulting stages with abantu abazosprenda as iLikwa Community Network. Maybe ukhona la iLikwa sale sesenza nje izinto zibe lula. Let's connect, let's work. Uma ngabe ukhona la iLikwa and you trust your skills, ekutheni mhlambe kuyo lento esiyenzayo, you can brand us. We are a media platform, we are a radio. Yeah. We are actually a radio, so yeah, ngazi mina ngibeka kahle njengoba ngihleka nje I'm like, hey, nami uGeorge edlala ngami. So the main goal Likwa Community Network, it's actually LCN Radio. Yeah, we are a radio station. Being didwayilwa ukuthi are we a radio station or are we just a media outlet? But we are both, so let's roll. So we are in need of someone also spread like full on branding, asinikeze image sizokwazi ukuthi nathi masiphuma as a team, maybe doing outside broadcast, kucaca ukuthi okay, iLikwa Community Network is in the space right now. Singakakhulumi sisasetaphile nje into zethu, umuntu wa notice ukuthi okay, the guys are here, the ladies are here, LCN Radio isifikile noma kanjani. So nalokho futhi kuphushela le conversation yami nawe kuphi okanye le nkulumo yami nawe kuphi ekutheni lokho kuzodinga ukuthi sitap into those relationships that we have right now ekutheni sigcine sifinyelele emntwini ozosisiza ngalokho esidingayo. So relationships are very, very, very important. Ikona ebengifuna ukushare nawe namhlanje. Ijourney lena esikuyo sethathe isikhathi eside kakhulu, and we are still on the beginning phase yayo yonke lento. Like, yeah, we are still at like the lower stages of it. Kuse kude la siya khona, but we believe, honestly speaking, we believe ukuthi ngendlela esamba ngayo nangempela sizogcina sifinyelele la siya khona. Networking is very much important because through i-network esinayo njengamanje we've managed ukuthi sifinyelele to ama offices nathi ebesingazi nokwazi ukuthi siyawadinga, the likes of the communications officer, the local municipality, sikwazile nje ukuthi sisondele kubona, sa share okanye sa picture i-concept yethu lena sinayo ye-radio. We got some amazing advices into ezikanjalo. Then they also referred us to certain people abangasisiza ukuthi lento sithathe from le point ekuyo to the next point. So yonke leyo nto isagcizelela lento le engizama ukuyishare nawe ekuyona into engingafisa nje ukuthi in whatever that you are doing as an entrepreneur uyiqikelele, like make sure ukuthi you pay more attention to it ekutheni how are you keeping ama relationships on now as much healthy as possible. So yipi okanye yona yipi indlela ongakwazi ukuqinisekisa nayo ukuthi ama relationships on now are more effective and also they are healthy and they impact whatever that you are doing positively. Communication ibaluleke kakhulu, indlela o-communicate ngayo, whether you are communicating, sharing ukuthi wena wenzani with the masses, or you are communicating nabantu ukuthi uxoxa kanjani nabantu. Mina mangiqala ukuhlangana nawe, the first interaction yami nawe, mina kuwe ngizipresenta kanjani, indlela engizozi-expressa ngayo kuwe, indlela engizozi-introduce ngayo kuwe, leyo nto iyona ezohlala kuwe. Mhlawumbe ngeke sakhuluma ngebusiness engilenzayo or ibhizinisi wena olenzayo, but indlela esizo-communicate ngayo, ukuhlonipha, respect, it's very much important as well kuyo into ye-communication. So always respects the next person, but lokho kuqala kuphi ngokuthi uzihloniphe wena as a human being. Make sure ukuthi you respect yourself. Be clean first of all. Then make sure ukuthi izinto ozikhulumayo akusizinto ezi-offendayo. Manje with i-social media nangendlela esetshenziswa ngayo kulula ukuthi sazi ukuthi izona ziphi izinto esingathi masikhuluma ngemlomo yethu zibe offensive to the next person. Maybe ukhuluma nomuntu ongasi race yakho, someone from a different race, uyazi ukuthi okay, abantu abamnyama thina siyisizwe simnyama, uma uye wathinta into so esikhathini esiningi siye singayithathi kahle leyo nto, so already you know ukuthi okay, ngikhuluma nalomuntu, so there's no need for mina ukuthi ngize ngimention into eso, cause it's very much possible ukuthi lento ingamhlala kabi. Maybe ukhuluma nabantu the LGBTQI community, you know ukuthi kunamagama ongathi mawasebenzisa then babe offended, okanye kube ngazathi uyabadelela or kuvele some sort of discrimination or whatever lena nje engenzeka, but engezi ukubahlala kahle. So i-social media nale way isetshenziswa ngakhona, the conversations and ama-discussions aye abe khona, kulula ukuthi kube izinto esizaziyo lezo, unless you are just like someone or ignorant like naturally, of which into engi-discourage okanye engeke ngayigqugquzela ukuthi ube umuntu nje o-ignorant. Do pay attention ey'ntweni ngisho nakuthiwa into ayikufuni kangako, but just be aware esikhathini esiningi. Lokho kuzokusiza kakhulu as an entrepreneur ukuthi wherever la uyakhona ucommunicate nabantu kube lula ukuthi ungazitholi so offenda nje abantu ungahlosile, because esikhathini esiningi I doubt ukuthi kusuke ukuthi vele like uvuka ekuseni uthi no namhlanje angeke ngilale nginga-offendanga umuntu. Of course asibi kanjalo singabantu siphila, more especially makuthi emqondweni right. So yeah, communication izokusiza kakhulu ekutheni ugcine ama-relationships onawo are healthy and also akusebenzele nje ngendlela futhi ezokukhulisa ibise phambili. Okwesithu okungakusiza ukuthi ama-relationships onawo ahlale asesimeni esi-right, kunalento ekuthiwa maintaining relationships okanye how to sustain relationships. Angazi noma ngisebenzisa amagama right na, but leyo nto leyo iyasiza kakhulu. Isibuyiselaphi ku-point lami lokuqala, keeping in touch, check khona abantu oseduze nabo okanye abantu kuma-relationships nabo nawe nagain. Bingelele nje, just pick up the phone and I'm like, hey kunjani, ukahle, no bengizwa impilo, akukho nje ukuthini. Into enjengalezo lezo ziyakwenza ukuthi abantu laba othi unama-relationships nabo bahlale bazi ukuthi actually uLebo ukhona usaphila, hayi uyazi uLebo usebhizi ngento so. Then noma sebefika kwezinye indawo kulula ukuthi bakukhumbule ukuthi hayi man, uLebo is doing radio and right now ngilana and these guys are doing production, let me just link them up ngicheck nje ukuthi mhlambe bakhona yini basebenzisana yabo, bakhona ukukhumbula lokho sekwenzani, sekukusondezela amathuba, opportunities for you to grow. Then kanjalo sekubalula nje ukuthi i-networking yakho ibe strong, so usuyakhona ukusebenza ukude, because ngokuthi loyo muntu enze njalo akukhumbule and azi ukuthi futhi I know uLebo has been good to me, uLebo umuntu ohloniphayo, uLebo ungumuntu oyihloniphayo futhi into ayenzayo. Me connecting uLebo ne-Strike Pose nangempela angeke kuze kumoshe ubudlelwane bami ne-Strike Pose, but instead kuzoba na something ebuildekayo nami in the long run engaphinde ingisize. Who knows, i-relationship abangayifoma iLiqua Community Network ne-Strike Pose nami ngingayidinga in the long run. Maybe I'm in business, very much possible ukuthi maduzane ngingadinga ama-services abo behlangene. Maybe I need to advertise on their platform, ngifuna uku-advertise kwi-platform yeLiqua Community Network. Of course ukuze leyo nto yenzeke iLiqua Community Network izoyidinga i-Strike Pose ukuthi ba-record that commercial or bangibiza on a podcast and profile my business. So yabona ukuthi wena uthe ma usihlanganisa ne-Strike Pose emqondweni bawunalo ukuthi konje uLebo out yami ungumuntuogrand and uLebo uphusha lokho. So konke lokhu ukukhunjuzwe yini indlela yokuthi mina kuwe ngiye ngazipresenta kanjani nokuthi i-relationship yami nawe ikusiphi isimo. it also emphasizes yonke lento esengishilo ukuthi healthy relationships are very much important, more especially when we entrepreneur. So check on those kuma relationships now. Angifuni ukuthi lento ngiyistretch ibe yinde kahle kahle. I just wanted ukuthi ngikushare nje ukuthi kukho konke esesikwenzile esekusithathe kwasibeka la sikhona njengamanje, and lento le esiyenzayo elikwa community network sekuyinto ephilayo kahle kahle. Kwathina sekunzima nje ukuthi masivuka nje ekseni singayicabangi, because already sekunabantu abanama expectations athize. They know ukuthi on the platform there are chances ukuthi ngizofunda something on their content. Uma ngingena on YouTube ngichecka i-content elikwa community network, there is something engizophuma nayo, or mhlambe bazongintroduce to an artist ekungenzeka ngithanda umsebenzi wayo da kwi-MP3 club, yabo into ezikanjalo, then nibe entertained. So right now we are like a proper brand or product. Angazi ukuthi ngiclassify under which category into esiyenzayo, but njengamanje siyinto ephilayo eseyidinga ukuthi kukho konke esikwenzayo sibe more considerate, ukuthi abantu abaseduze nathi si communicate kanjani nabo, futhi sibagcina kanjani, okanye sogcina kanjani ubudlelwane bethu nabo busesimeni esi-right. Maybe umbuzo ongazibuza wena njengamanje as an entrepreneur, the reason why ngilokho ngigcizelela lokho ukuthi ngikhuluma nama-entrepreneurs, maybe it's your first time uhlangana ne-content yethu, ukhumbula okanye angikwazise ukuthi on this podcast specifically, emsakazweni podcast, I'm aiming okanye I'm mainly focusing ukuthi ngikhulume nama-entrepreneurs. So my focus is on entrepreneurship, finance okanye financial education, self-development okanye self-awareness, and personal growth, and also community service. So ingakho nje the way lento engisharayo ngizama nje ukuthi ngisondeze to ekutheni kucace ukuthi I'm talking okanye I'm speaking to abantu abangama-entrepreneurs. Kwesinye isikhathi ke siye ngayithathi as if we are entrepreneurs, more especially thina esenza imisebenzi efana okanye thina esinama-gift athize. Maybe uzalwe umuntu okwazi ukucula and now you are an artist, obviously lokho kukodwa kukwenza ukuthi ube entrepreneur. Mhlambe ungangicorrecta ukuthi ngiyaphambuka, just jump on the comment section box usho wena ukuthi ucabanga ngalento enishoyo njengamanje. But obviously you need to build yourself as a brand. Yebo, you are an artist, into yomculo into vele ekuwe ozalwe nayo, but for leyo nto ukuthi iphile futhi igcine iphilisa nawe, you need to brand yourself, treat yourself as a brand, then uqinisekise ukuthi kunento okhonayo ukuyipresenta kubantu ukuthi okay, mina as an artist, this is me as an artist, this is how ngathini okanye these are the benefits of ukuthi ngisebenzisane nawe mhlambe if you are a brand as well. So sengikhuluma from iside lokuba i-artist njalo, so ukuthi mawuzibrandile kulula ukuthi into oyenzayo ithengiseke. So qinisekisa nje ukuthi nalokho you do pay attention to indaba ye-branding. Seyinde already le video ngizoyivala lana okwamanje, but just to recap ekuyikona bengifuna ukugcizelela, ngiyazi ukuthi mhlambe sengizwakala ngazathi ngiyaziphinda. Make sure ukuthi ama-relationships onawo are as healthy as possible. Like qinisekisa lokho sengiye ngakuvezela ke ukuthi to make sure ukuthi ama-relationships onawo vele akanjalo. Pay attention to indaba ye-communication, how you communicate with others, how you communicate into oyenzayo, and into ezokusiza ukuthi indaba ye-communication ihlale isesimeni. Iyo indaba yokuthi uzihloniphe, ngokuzihlonipha kwenza kube lula ukuthi abanye abantu bakuhloniphe. I'm recording i-solo episode namhlanje due to ama-challenges nyana athize esesiyawafacer, ekuyinto esisazolokhu sibhekana nayo-ke kuso le space esikuso se-media. Nawe kulokho kwenzayo, nawe again you have your own challenges obhekana nawo. Mhlambe amanye sokwazile ukwa-overcome. Ngiyacela if there's a way yokuthi mina nawe singaxhumana sibe ne sit down, please do connect with us on social media. Link kwa community network cishe kuwo wonke ama social media pages wethu inbox then sicheck ukuthi kungayinto esihlela kanjani le ukuthi mina nawe sihlale phansi and have a conversation. Then uzokwazi ukuthi usicwashise okanye usiqwashise ngalokho khona okwaziyo sifundisane ukuthi how can we grow as artists siye phambili. Ladies and gentlemen, until next time, mamela ngizocela wena uphuza amanzi ube healthy, otherwise philana emsakazweni. Boom.